Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to list property on Trivago. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your web browser, and on the search bar simply type in trivago.com and then log into your account. Now once you have logged into your account, you'll be landing on the interface of the Trivago. As now, in order to list your property on Trivago, what you need to do is, first of all, you need to list your property on a partner site like booking.com, Expedia and so on, as Trivago is an site that compares hotel prices from multiple sites. So you should first register your property on a partner site like booking.com or Expedia. So what you need to do is go ahead and register your property on the website like booking.com right here. And once you do that and follow the process that is given to you through the booking website, your property will then be able to be viewed from Trivago as well by simply clicking on the register website, for example like booking.com. And once you do that, you'll be able to view the property from Trivago as well. And that's basically how you can list your property on Trivago, as there is no available option in the Trivago to list your property. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.